Okay. Can we rely on Google sunset time to break fast if traveling in an area with no calendar?
I think the calendar these days is in your in your mobile. Your smartphone will tell you everything. So if you're traveling, make sure you take your traveling tools. I'm pretty sure when you travel, you check your your fuel gauge, you check which place you're going to sleep in. So please make sure as well you check regarding your deen. So for example, you're carrying a smartphone to know where's your your compass for your prayer, and you're going to carry maybe a little bottle of wudu, okay, to make wudu. A carpet, like I have a carpet, I have my wudu, I got my water, I got my everything. So I've got my praying masjid with me in my car. Wherever I go, I could pray. When I came from Derby that night, I went to the what is it called, the service station. I looked inside, I couldn't find any place to pray. I said, I just get in my car and I parted between my car and one of these vans or big trucks. I just parted next there, and I've got my Google, which is my compass in my phone. Looked at it there, and they've got one mashallah. I've got one application is very good because it's not the compass. It will show you. It's like a satellite image where you are, and then will give you the direction of the qibla from that satellite image. So you could just put it. You could make a still picture of it, and you could work out where you from the shop or something, and you will give you the direction. So it's not just compass. It's an overhead sort of satellite on you. That's the best. And then place my carpet. I've got my carpet, which is a leather mat from the underneath to protect. And then pray, alhamdulillah, settled. I've got my water for wudu. Because you're a traveler, you see, to make sure that you are, just like you take your biscuits and your chocolate as well, to make sure that you are not hungry, make sure you take as well your deen issue. So the question was that, again, so to do with?
It's about using Google to check the sunset time to break the fast.
So the same thing as well. If you take your timetable here, if you can't see the sun, timetable, okay, you just say, just take to Google, what time is sunset is here. So let's just now try it here, for example. So I'm not going to mention Maidenhead. I'm not going to mention Luton. I'm not going to mention where I am. I'm going to mention what time is sunset is here. So let's just speak to Mr. Google. What time is sunset tonight here?
Tomorrow, sunset is at 6:21 p.m.
I said to you tonight, not tomorrow, but never mind. 6:21, that's tomorrow. And I said here. Okay, so it gave me exactly where I am in the street. It gave me Bromley something. It gave me even the street, and it gave me 6:21. Khalas, that's for tomorrow. So why is it giving me tomorrow? Because sunset is already finished tonight. That's why it is. So 6:21. So Google will give you the time exactly where you are, not just where the place where you are. But if you see the sun, forget about Google. See with the sun. If you're driving, stop. Don't drive while you are, because sunset will change if you're going to break your fast, because you're going to go up and down with the car. So you might think of the sunset, and then you go up and you see the sun. You broke your day. Stop, eat, and then now.
Jazakallah khair, Sheikh.